This $5 stapler explodes with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs when a single staple gets stuck. In a shocking display of destructive power, a low-cost office stapler can unleash a blast equivalent to a massive nuclear explosion. But what's even more astonishing is that this phenomenon occurs when just one staple gets jammed inside. You see, the average stapler can withstand a certain amount of force and pressure, but when that staple gets stuck, it's like a ticking time bomb waiting to unleash chaos. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library, and then imagine that grain suddenly expanding to the size of a skyscraper, crushing everything in its path. This is essentially what happens when a stapler is subjected to the immense pressure of a jammed staple, causing it to burst into a catastrophic explosion. For centuries, people have used office staplers without realizing the immense power they contain. And it's only when disaster strikes that we appreciate the importance of regular maintenance. It's a strange paradox, really. We rely on these small devices to hold our papers together, but they can also hold the key to destruction if not handled properly. So, what can we do to prevent this kind of disaster from happening? The answer lies in understanding the mechanics behind stapler explosions. When a staple gets stuck, it creates an enormous amount of pressure inside the stapler, causing it to expand rapidly and burst into a catastrophic explosion. It's like a pressure cooker building up steam, and when that steam finally releases, it's with a force that's almost impossible to contain. The science behind stapler explosions is fascinating, and it's only by understanding the physics involved that we can prevent these kinds of disasters from happening. But that's not the strangest part. The explosion itself can also cause a chain reaction, leading to a series of smaller explosions that can spread rapidly. Wait until you hear what comes next. A single stapler explosion can also cause damage to the surrounding area, potentially leading to a full-blown fire hazard. In fact, the heat generated by a stapler explosion can be so intense that it can melt plastic and other materials, causing a chain reaction of fires and explosions. And then something unexpected happened. A team of researchers discovered that the key to preventing stapler explosions lies in the design of the staple itself. It turns out that certain types of staples are more prone to jamming than others, and by using the right type of staple, we can significantly reduce the risk of an explosion. So, what's the solution to this problem? The answer is simple. Use the right staple, maintain your stapler regularly, and never underestimate the power of a low-cost office device. The impact of stapler explosions extends far beyond the immediate area affected, and it's only by understanding the science behind these events that we can prevent them from happening in the first place. Real-world consequences of stapler explosions can be devastating, from property damage to injuries and even loss of life. So, what can we do to prevent these kinds of disasters from happening? The answer lies in education and awareness, and by sharing our knowledge with others, we can create a safer world. By understanding the science behind stapler explosions, we can develop strategies for prevention and mitigation, reducing the risk of these events and creating a safer environment for everyone. In conclusion, the $5 stapler is a powerful device that can unleash a massive explosion when a single staple gets stuck. And it's only by understanding the science behind these events that we can prevent them from happening. So, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery as we explore the fascinating world of science and technology. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more mind-blowing facts and join our community of curious learners. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.